Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sound section. Here you'll see the media, call, ringtone and alarm volume panels. We can change the volumes by just swipe to the left or to the right side, double finger that's dots. We can also turn on and turn off the vibration for calls. Here we can switch the multi-volume. We can turn on and turn off the multi-volume panel. Here you can see the tutorial. We can also turn on and turn off the audio effects. We can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can use the shortcut to prevent ringing. In advanced settings, we can see here that we can change the ringtones. This device has some slots, so we can set two different ringtones on each of the SIM cards. Also, we can change the notification and alarm sounds just by this way. Then just click here to OK to save the changes here. In other sounds and vibration settings, we can turn on and turn off the dial buttons, the screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, the touch sounds, touch vibration, power on, power off sounds. Just to do that, we should click here only once on each of the switcher. And also we can pick up the device to silence, so just to do that, click here once to OK. To turn it off, click to OK and again. We can also see the settings here. We can also flip the device just to turn on the don't disturb mode, so just by the same way. And we can switch the media, use or turn off the media controls here just by click on the switcher twice. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.